Assalamu alaikum. This is a presentation on our project for probability and statistics. The goal of the project was to join two hackathons, specifically the CalicoFall 2024 hackathon and a LeetCode code competition. Our team, called Team Misfits, consists of three members: Ayan Qazi, Ahmed Faraz, and Muhammad Huzaif Amir. All of the members of this team have skills in Python, C++, as well as some deep understanding of statistics as well as data structures and algorithms. We collaborated on this project using Google Meets to maximize our individual strengths. For the Calico 2024 Fall Hackathon, the format was a 3-hour competition with some complex coding challenges. The prizes were for the top performing teams that had either the best time complexity, the best overall score, or the best innovations in the code. The challenges were mostly revolving around the tough code descriptions that were given, and they were all testing our technical skills as well as problem solving abilities and teamwork. The following codes have been taken from the problems given in our coding competitions. These problems include the first problem, Oreo cookie drawing, wherein we have to take some tokens inside a string, and according to the token given, we have to print out any of the following. For O, we have to print out Oreo. For RE, we have to print out the following dash line sequence. And for ampersand, we have to print out just a simple blank line. The code is simple Python code, wherein we use simple if-else statements to print out all of those sequences of characters depending on the token. The second problem that we were given was the Phineas and Ferb problem. This problem involves being given an ASCII grid of n into m dimensions, and here we have to determine if this is a rectangle or a more irregular shape. In case it is a rectangle, we have to print out Ferb. Else, we have to print out Phineas. Here you can see this part of the code, which was done in Python, checks if this shape that we were given was a rectangle or not. And if it is, of course, we just print out Ferb. And in case it is a more irregular shape, this part checks that, and we print out Phineas. We felt confident due to our teamwork, and the final touches were made for our code, so we knew that our code that we were submitting was in top quality. These are some rankings and results of our code submissions. As you can see, we ranked 236th out of 865 teams worldwide. This just shows that we were dedicated and our problem-solving skills were up to par. Moving on to the LeetCode competition, the format was a 2-hour solo competition where each person has to do some complex codes by themselves. The prize pool includes some LeetCode backpacks, some bottles, and other merch that LeetCode gives out. The example problem for this that we have is the smallest number with all set bits problem. We did this problem using C++, as you can see here, done on LeetCode's own website and in their own environment. These are some rankings and results of our group members. As you can see, one of our group members ranked 8,882nd. Another one ranked 8,923rd. And the best of us got 8,754th out of 18,000 total competitors. Some key takeaways that we had were the value of our collaboration, basically our teamwork and how much it impacts our total problem-solving skills. and also just problem solving in general was improved due to these code competitions. We had a lot to look over, understand, and better ourselves with. Also, network. We managed to connect with fellows who were also doing work on the same projects, on the same competitions as well. We managed to meet people that we hadn't before and learn a lot of new things. That concludes our presentation, and